So let us put our hands together to Dr. Manjula for giving us the space and like coming along with us to make this happen. And as Shilpi was mentioning, we are into promoting Indian art and culture. What we intend to do in the long run is that we want to associate each artist with one underprivileged child or maybe two. If they can train them, to nurture their talent and create a career out of it. And each artist, we are going to promote these artists over our marketing platforms till such time that the child is with them on a regular basis, probably on a weekly basis, depending on how the child is progressing. And we will be looking at reports and looking at a lot of things on the back end, how the child is progressing, depending on the artist's feedback. Okay. So that is what we plan to do in the near future for Indian art and culture.
This is one platform where the children can explore, express and experience under one roof with multiple activities. This is the idea behind starting Milan. The idea behind Shilpi's is underprivileged artists, where we provide a platform to nurture and develop overall personality growth through classical art form. I think being a dentist and a psychologist, my call was into art field. Probably now I know why this call was. And this dream, I think you have given wings to me to fly.
So we'll fly, we've given each other wings.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Manjula. So today we have gathered here for a very, very special reason, and it's about a beautiful association that has formed between Calista Foundation and Melange Academy. We are really grateful to Dr. Manjula Prashant of Melange Academy to come forward and be a part of this initiative by Calista, where we are promoting Indian art and culture and also trying to identify bright talents from underprivileged section and provide them support in pursuing their artistic education. And to seal that initiative, we have three beautiful girls from Vivek Nagar. We reached out to Mr. Venkat of Swabhiman Trust. He's been running Swabhiman Trust for the last 20 years. And he takes care of these children, their parents who live in Vivek Nagar. And there are a lot of talented children there. We have been going for this talent scouting and we identified these little girls. They're beautiful and they will showcase something for us. And then we will get also some
ये आप लोगों ने खुद से सीखा है, अपने आप से सीखा है ये. Nobody has taught them.
to our trust and visited us and saw our performance. We are so thankful to you and Venkat sir who showed the performance to you.
Thank you so much. कहाँ है तुम्हारा डांस? उस दिन तो खूब डांस दिखाया। अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। But you danced very well that day. She is very very graceful. She did a little Bollywood piece. See, they don't have the exposure. They don't have the direction. So what we can do is that groom them, give them the direction, give them the training to groom them. And
These two girls brought Mumbai alive.
yeah. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes. Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you for coming.